Welding School for Beginners. Wentworth Institute of Technology, nestled in the heart of Boston, extends a welcoming gateway for beginners eager to embark on a transformative journey into the world of welding. Their Welding Technology Certificate program, meticulously designed for novices, serves as the perfect initiation into the art and science of welding. Over the course of this comprehensive program, students delve into the fundamentals of welding techniques, mastering the intricacies of joining metals with precision and skill. Emphasis is placed not only on technique but also on the paramount importance of safety procedures, ensuring that students cultivate a thorough understanding of responsible welding practices. Aspiring welders will find themselves immersed in a dynamic learning environment, guided by experienced instructors dedicated to nurturing their growth. For those yearning to forge a path in welding, Wentworth Institute of Technology stands as a beacon of opportunity, offering a solid foundation for a rewarding career in this essential and versatile trade.
This is my teacher, instructor French.
Even my downhill looks like shit. Even my downhill looks like shit.
No.
I, Troy Roden, went to Wentworth Institution of Technology to do welding, and this is the first time in my life I do MIG welding. Within weeks, I was up and running. Couldn't even believe that I becomes a MIG welder. Thanks to the welding school, Wentworth Institution of Technology, I becomes a MIG welder within weeks. Happy welding. Follow your dreams. If you think this video was educational or interested, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, share, press the notification bell to see more video like this. Highly appreciate it. See you in my next welding class. This is Troy Roden, aka Lager Benz. Welding. Well. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching.